stop me, I'm all the way up.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a very sunny Pleasure Beach resort as we'll be going on that this morning. Yes, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and we'll be going on the brand new refurbished, formerly known as Ice Blast, Launch Pad.
They're not here yet.
Alright, just waiting to go in. Cannot wait for the 300 POVs to come out later. Absolutely buzzing for this original content. There's a lot of people been invited for this launch event, no pun intended. There's a lot of people indeed. Oh, the key to my heart. Cheers. Cheers. The astronauts have arrived. Budget ran out for Katy Perry.
Good morning everyone and welcome to a very sunny Blackpool. I need you all to take one look at that sky because you may never see it again.
A little bit of Launch Pad merch. I definitely like how they've redone it. It looks really smart. Right, harness checked, sunglasses on, astronaut ready. The only way is up. You ready? Not nervous at all? I do not like heights. I never will like heights.
Okay.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready. 3. Oh no. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way. That went on. So it's unpredictable. You don't know when it's gonna go up. That countdown is absolutely pointless. Anyone who said it's not that forceful, you clearly don't have testicles. And that's all I'm going to say.
That just pack a punch, that is. Yeah.
It's back. It's back. It's back to its old best. Launch Pad, that's phenomenal. It's glad to be back. That caught me way off guard, man.
That scream was brilliant. Oh, wait, weightlessness there.
Launch Pad. Right, if anyone's milked an 8-minute video out of this, too much talking. I've been Sean Evans, you've been watching it. Lift Hills and Thrills, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.